Good day, everyone. Today, I am excited to present my performance learning assessment task entitled Write Connect, Enhancing Writing Fluency Through Social Collaboration. This is a 7-day collaborative online experience designed to help learners improve their writing fluency in a fun, interactive, and a meaningful way. Why collaborative writing? Writing fluency improves when learners engage in consistent writing practice, receive meaningful peer feedback, and publish in authentic spaces. Write Connect uses familiar online platforms to foster collaboration and motivation among teen English learners. Our target learners are intermediate English language learners around ages 16 to 18. They're mostly visual and social learners, highly active on platforms like Instagram and Discord, and all of them have smartphone access. The learning environment is a hybrid of synchronous and asynchronous modes with stable Wi-Fi access. Write Connect is built around peer interaction for 7 days. Learners will go through a cycle of brainstorming, drafting, peer reviewing, and finally, publishing the writing online. The aim is not just to improve grammar or vocabulary, but to make writing meaningful through social collaboration. By the end of the 7 days, learners will be able to write a 150 to 200 word paragraph, give peer feedback, collaborate on a group blog entry, and publish their final work on Instagram while responding meaningfully to peer comments. These objectives are clear, measurable, and tailored to the learner's strengths. And for the tool selection and justification, I've chosen three tools: the Google Docs for collaborative drafting, Instagram for publication, and Discord as our communication hub. These tools are similar, accessible, and most importantly, encourage collaboration and engagement. Each tool brings unique affordances to the learning experience. On days 1 and 2, we kick things off with a writing sprint using Discord voice channels. Students then post their drafts in Google Docs and brainstorm feedback questions. This promotes spontaneous writing and starts building their peer feedback culture early on. Days 3 to 5 focus on deeper peer interaction. Students will comment on each other's draft and fill out feedback forms. They revise their work based on the feedback. The interaction happens on both Google Docs and Discord, promoting thoughtful revision and collaborative learning. Finally, days 6 and 7 are for celebrating the writing. Students post their polished work on a private class Instagram. They also engage with their peers by leaving positive, specific comments. This stage adds authenticity and pride to their work. To support peer interaction, we assign roles like editor or feedback giver and implements participation points. We also set clear netiquette rules, use kind critic, mini lessons, and incorporate fun community building elements like memes and shoutouts. These strategies foster a safe and supportive learning community. Assessment is both formative and summative. Peer feedback, participation, and quality of revisions are monitored throughout. The final Instagram post is assessed using a rubric, and learners also complete reflection journals and a peer survey. This mix ensures fairness, depth, and self-awareness. For the rationale, Write Connect is grounded in research that shows writing fluency grows when students write regularly, get feedback, and feel their writing has purpose. These tools are strategies tap into students' digital habits while promoting critical thinking, creativity, and respectful collaboration. Thank you so much for listening. Write Connect reimagines writing as a social, joyful, and authentic experience. I now welcome any questions or feedback you might have.